Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how you can kick or ban someone from your Discord account. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so first of all, you just have to go to the Discord app on your mobile device. The next thing you need to do is you just have to open the server from which you want to kick or ban a member, alright? So let's say that's the server from which I want to ban or kick someone. Now what you need to do is you have to go to its settings. So just tap the three dots given next to the server's name, and this will take you to the settings option. Now here you just have to scroll down a bit and you will see this option under user management that says members. So it will show you all the members that are connected with you on that Discord server. Now let's say you want to kick or ban any one of these members that you see on the screen. You just have to tap the three dots given next to their name, and this will give you a few options, out of which there are two options, that is kick that person or ban that person, alright? So what is the difference between these two options is that if you will kick someone out of your Discord server, they will temporarily get out of it, alright? They can still get back to it if they have an active invite link with them, alright? They can simply use that link to join your server again, alright? So that's a temporary thing. Now if you want to ban someone permanently, if you want to kick them permanently out of your Discord server, you just have to ban them. So whatever you want to do, you have two options, either to remove them temporarily or to remove them permanently by banning them. So if you will ban a person, it will show you this message that says, are you sure you want to ban this person? They won't be able to return unless you unban them, alright? So you will reserve the right to unban them if you want, or if you don't want, just keep them banned. And this will also ask that if you want to delete their message history or not. So you can choose whatever option you feel like. Don't delete any previous 24 hours, previous 7 days and so on. And you also have to give a reason why are you banning them, alright? So you can give any reason that you were feeling like that they were creating the chaos in the Discord server. So that's all you need to do to ban someone on your Discord. So till the time you will not unban them, they won't be able to get back to your server, alright? And the first option that says kick this person, again here you have to give a reason why you are kicking them out of the Discord server, what they have done. So again you can mention that reason, press confirm, and you are good to go. So yeah, these were the two options that you can use for the Discord server. So that was about how you can kick or ban someone from your Discord server and what actually these features do for you, alright? So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any doubts, queries, feedback or suggestions for my next video, do let me know in the comment section down below. And you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.